Greetings aspirants, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another video of CC concepts of the subject Science and Technology. In this video, we will be talking about the Agni missile. We all know that the Agni 5 missile, you might have been seeing in the news about the Agni 5 missile, which is the most powerful missile with the longest range India has got. I have told you that it is a ballistic missile, in which the boost is going to be only for the initial stage, right? Before looking into the Agni 5 missile, we look at how these Agni missile evolved from time to time. First we had nothing but the Agni 1 missile. So it is a short range ballistic missile, means the range of it is less than 1000 kilometers. Less than 1000 kilometers. Now as I told you, it's a short range. The range is 700 kilometers. It was first tested or deployed in the year 2007. Then we had something called the Agni 2 missile, which was a medium range ballistic missile, and medium range is nothing but the range between 1000 to 3000 kilometers. If the missile has the range between 1000 to 3000 kilometers, then we call it the medium range ballistic missile, and the range of this missile was over 2000 kilometers. This was a two-stage solid fuel missile. Two-stage is nothing but, just like the launch vehicles we have discussed earlier, two-stage is nothing but it is going to be in different stages. The launch is going to happen in different stages. It's a solid fuel. The fuel which is used is solid. Entered the service with India's Strategic Command Forces in 2004. Then we evolved with the range and we made the Agni 3 missile. Agni 3 missile was a intermediate range ballistic missile, which has a range of 3500 kilometers. And you have to know that intermediate range lies between 3000 to 5500 kilometers. And it entered the service in 2011. We were also using Agni 2, but Agni 3 was serving beside Agni 2, which was used as a nuclear delivery system. This was used as a nuclear delivery system, and the Agni 5, which we are using now, is a modified or extended version of this Agni 3. Okay. Then coming to Agni 4, this is an Indian solid fuel intermediate range. This is also an intermediate range ballistic missile, which has a range of 4000 kilometers. And this is also a two-stage missile, which was previously named as Agni 2 Prime, because it is a derivative of the Agni 2 MRBM. MRBM is nothing but medium range ballistic missile, but it has an extended range compared to that, right? So this was tested 8 times. Since its first flight in 2010. And the present missile we have is the Agni 5 missile. You can see this is the Agni 5 missile. It is of 3 stages. It is made of 3 stages. This is the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So it is an Indian intercontinental ballistic missile. Intercontinental ballistic missile means the range of this missile is going to be greater than 5500 kilometers. If the range is more than 5500 kilometers, then you call it intercontinental ballistic missile, right? So the range, it has a range of over 5000 kilometers, and we can see how we have evolved in terms of payload and also the range with respect to the missiles. And you have to know that the range of this Agni 5, see, you can see this is how Agni 5 can cover. This is how much Agni 5 can cover. It can cover even other continents too, right? It can cover other continents too. Now, as I told you earlier, it is a evolution of the Agni 3 intermediate range ballistic missile, featuring its similar first and 2 stages. The first and 2 stages are similar, but the third stage, it has an added third stage. India first tested this solid fuel missile in 2012 and conducting subsequent tests in the other years till 2018. Now it is very easy to launch this because it launches from a sealed canister. Just like this on a road mobile launcher, compressing the time which is needed to prepare for the launch. So this is about the Agni missiles which we have used and which we are using now. In this video we talked about the Agni missile. We will be back again with the next video. Thank you.